What's up, guys? So today I'm going to give you a pro quick tip. Make sure you pay attention. Today we're going to be cutting a mango. So all you have to do is find the pit that goes through the center of the fruit. It's roughly about the size of your thumb. Once you find it, you're going to cut on either side of it, and then you're going to lob off the other two ends. Now to dislodge all that delicious flesh from the peel, if you're that kind of person, all you have to do is hold your segment down to the end of the cutting board. Slide your knife in little chiselly motions all the way through, and there you have your nice bite-sized piece. But honestly, you can leave the skin on if you wash your fruit well enough. The skin holds a whole bunch of nutrients that are amazing for our bodies. Thanks so much for checking out this video, you guys. I hope I taught you something new, and if I did, make sure to share it to someone who can't boil pasta.